heading up through the quiet alleys of the old town, guys. Quite a contrast to the busyness of town or the chaos of the Rincon end. Picturesque, peaceful, quiet and tranquil, and got typically Spanish. And I'll let the bike pass. Got all the old gas lights. Are there gas lights?
Electric now.
Yeah, electric now, but probably would have been gas back in the day, maybe. Cobblestone streets and all the balconies and apartments just looking across each other. Man, I think Old Town is one of the most beautiful areas of Benidorm, to be fair. Yet, the people who hate Benidorm and judge it and say it's a dump don't ever go to Old Town. Gonna come alive very soon though. Of course, couple months time we do have the Pride Festival coming up. I think it's September. Yeah, it's September. Then, of course, November, we have all the Peñas, all the Spanish party. Oh, and not to forget, of course, in October, we have all the Moors and Christians parties and parades, which will be big. So very quiet.
Well, in November.
Yeah, but in November we have the Peñas. Just so peaceful over here though. Oh, that's the enter.
Yeah.
Just so many different little bars and all that. Beautiful hotels. Hotel Wassamar. Nice hotel there, Hotel Mirador. Gonna come up here, show you the old Wumbo bar. There you have it, Bar Wumbo. That used to be Tony Romer's Wumbo bar. Beautiful little bar. Of course you have a little market on up by the castle, by the looks of it. This bit we are approaching now though, it isn't actually the castle, it's what's known as Plaza de Senyoria. But still a very beautiful area. Chevy's down there, then a few market stores, little gift stores. I've been my camera down a bit, just selling a variety of goods, most homemade. And of course while I'm up here I have a look at our old favourite bar and the amazing view. So this bit just here, guys, used to be a bar, unbelievably, which we used to frequent quite a lot when we came on holiday to Benidorm, and as you can see it's just been completely ripped out, ripped down to its shore. And now time to have a look at the view. the stairway to heaven, there as I like to call it. Of course, the 100th anniversary bench for Benidorm. Malpass Beach, just in the cove here. Then of course, the view across Ponente. Sadly though, weather not really looking too good today, so it isn't really the best of views. Quite often on clearer days, you can tend to see across to Alcampella, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think it's Alcampella or Villaggio said it's just up round the cove from Finisterre. Gonna take a walk up round to the castle now, hopefully, he says. Got the Mojito bar there, Playa Begania, which, if I'm not mistaken, that used to be the ghost bar, I think. Anyone remember that? Used to be like a haunted bar where the owner would drop like a spider on you and they'd have like phantoms in the window and all that. That was somewhere up here, I know it. I just can't remember what it was called. It used to have like pictures of ghosts in the upstairs windows.
I know where you're on about, I don't think it was a bar.
It was a bar, I think. Now you're blooming making me doubt myself.
Don't date yourself, mate.
Beautiful little stores up here, guys. And it is just a nice area. You got all this bit here where you can just sit and chill, read a book or something. Of course, this big building you're seeing here, that is of course Church St. Jamie. I'll show you a bit of a better look at it when we're up the top. I'll try to show you this as well, the beautiful like school road sign, Plaza de la Senyoria. Then of course just more of the beautiful view. That's it, guys, I'm gonna say it. Old Town Benidorm is best area in Benidorm. Got all the local artists up here as well with all the beautiful paintings. Come on here, you've got the marble there for Church St. Jamie. Of course, the blue tile roofs at Church St. Jamie. A stage which I think
We'll be ready for next month.
yeah, probably getting ready for September when we have the Pride celebrations.
August.
Pride's in September, I think. Yeah, in August, I think. Yeah, I think in August it's the Pink Weekend, I believe.
Brass bands and stuff.
Brass band. Yeah, that as well. Cheers for reminding me, Mike. Nice little bar. Then, of course, the main thing, people tend to come up here to view is, of course, right ahead, the beautiful historical Benidorm Castle, El Castillo, which once was an actual castle, believe it or not, guys. It was used to fortify Benidorm and keep it safe from attacking pirates back when Benidorm were once a fishing village. And if that's sort of coming into focus, that is pretty much what it would have once looked like. Some history there. I'll head up and show you the castle and then finish with the Mirador del Mediterraneo. So the castle is here, which were used in a fair few scenes for Benidorm. This is pretty much original stuff from it, which of course, as you can see, people's just using it as a dump for rubbish, which is a bit sad, to be fair. Now, of course, as you would have reckoned, the castle is very haunted as well, with 2 ghost stories about it, which I can't really remember off heart. Huh? Oh yeah, I'll show you that quickly before I mention about the ghost stories, even though it ain't a ghost hunt video. The mountains over in the background there looking a bit dark and mysterious. Dark clouds are rolling into Benidorm, potentially meaning there will be a storm. Anyway, as I was saying, guys, the castle is pretty haunted, with the one story of a love sort of relationship that could never be, resulting in both partners sadly dying, when the man, a local sort of pirate, got murdered by protecting his true love. Then she disappeared, some saying that it were due to just the loneliness, and she went insane. Show you the Mirador just down here. That is what we call the Mirador del Mediterraneo. And I'll finish with our last sort of ghost story. The second one, of course, being about a young girl who fell in love with the water, she fell in love with sea. She loved everything about the sea, like she loved learning about the fish and all that. And sadly one day she went missing. Now some do believe on a cold, dark night you can still see her roaming. You can still see the ghosts of Benidorm's pasts roaming. Anyway, I'll try get somewhere with a good view to finish off. Hopefully my hat don't blow off. Hang on, there we are. So thanks for watching today's video, guys. As always, make sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, as the saying goes, it's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise, guys. Adios.